Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, July 27th, 2023. I said I wasn't going to be quite sure what's going to be the catalyst to turn this market around, and honestly, I still don't know. I don't know. I really don't know what the whole turn of events was, where you had the S&P up some 23, 20, 28 points and reversed and closed down 30. I've been trying to find out the rhyme and reason on it, and the best I can do, it had something to do with the Bank of Japan, but I have no idea. I think it was just out of breath. I had showed you that we were in this a pretty, a new, say, bearish wedge, because I had the other one going from all the way, down in these levels here, but we kind of broke through that. I moved it and then just made this new one. It's probably more realistic than the one that I had here, because if we would have stopped where we were, that would have made sense, and then it would have been looking, the target area was all the way down near to 3,800. This one has a target down near to 4,150, and that's kind of where, I was saying that we're going to get some. The bulls are going to be stepping in right around that 4,180. So we still have a ways to go to get down there, and today may have been the start of it. I don't. This market's kind of bipolar right now. It's hard to say exactly what's going to happen, but the thing is this: is that we have the sell signals on the daily charts. We had sell signals on the 60-minute chart, and this is again when we're gapping all the way up some 25 points and stuff like that. And I've said it, the more gap ups you do, the foundation, if you look at it like a building, there's no real foundation, because there's all cracks in the foundation. And when they start breaking down, it goes very, very fast. Is this it? Well, we're at the bottom of the wedge, so maybe. I mean, it's me personally, I would believe it is, but the thing is, we're right at support right here. We don't have any buy signals except for getting into a little bit of the oversold levels, but we're at the support. We're at the bottom of the wedge, so tomorrow is going to be a pretty, interesting day to see what happens. Now, one thing that we might be able to look for as well is, a possible. Nah, it doesn't. I was going to say we could be forming some kind of head and shoulders where we get a bounce, but doesn't look like it at all. So I'm not even gonna throw that in. But in any case, so if the Bears can come in and get it through, that, remember what I've been saying, the 45-25 area. This is what the Bears need to get through to get any attention from the Bulls. So if they do that, the next stop is going to be down near the 44.50 level, and you can see that's really the next price support. But if we look down here, we have this gap at 44.40. So this would really be my target. We also have a gap here at 44.80. We have a gap down here at the at 42.30. So we have gaps everywhere. And like I said, it's very hard to maintain a sustainable move without it all just getting crumbled down once it starts going. And as I said, there's gaps everywhere. We can go all the way down near the 40.68 level, all the way down at the 39.80. So this is built. I don't. I always take these kind of moves, even though they go on for a long time. They're going to fail, and it's just a matter of when and where. This one definitely took a little longer than anticipated, and maybe they keep going. But as what I've been saying is that once it drops, it goes pretty fast. So anyway, important tomorrow. If the Bears can take it through this support level, expect the next move to come somewhere down into the 44.50, possibly close this gap at 44.40. The overall pattern, we're looking for a move to come down to the 4,100. So that's this. What the Bears need to do, I mean, the Bulls, they need to get it back above this 45.77 level. If they do that, then we're going to probably come back up and test the top of this, at the top of the wedge. But you can see we have zero buy signals at all, even on the 15s. And as we even made these highs, there was sell signals. So there's sell signals on all the charts. Like I said, the Bulls are fighting the Fed. Believe it or not, they're winning right now. But the thing is that they're not going to be lowering rates anytime soon. It's just I don't know why people keep saying that. Oh, they're done hiking. Okay, they're done hiking, but we're still going to have rates at 5.5% for till 2025, maybe even longer than that. That's just what Powell said. So it's kind of just a strange environment with it. But in any case, we're here right now. We have to see if the Bears can break it through. Now, one quick note: I should have it finished probably tomorrow. I'm not sure, but by Sunday, I'll definitely have it out to you. But I'm putting out a special gold report, and it's going to be pretty detailed as far as what I'm looking for, why I like gold. It's a long term. It's a report, meaning that this is not something that you're going to be looking to trade in and out of. It's you're going to be building positions. You remember I showed you the AU, and I said build your position down to I think it was like the 17 or 18, and it had a almost an 8 or 9 point blast off from there. So it's going to have what I'm going to be covering on this is just really the reasons that move gold, GLD, the patterns that I'm looking at, when I'm expecting a top to come in, the buy areas on the way down, and then I'm also putting in different stocks that I like, and they're based off of chart patterns and some fundamentals that I'm going to put in. So it's going to be a pretty detailed report. I haven't figured out the price. It's going to be anywhere from $39 to $49, but it's going to be interesting, and I'll probably put something out each month on that, and just keep following up with what it is, and maybe I'll probably be doing different sectors as well. If I see something about to happen in silver, I'll put that out. If I see something in oil, and try to put out stocks that are going to move with it. You're going to have to do I'll give you your stops, I'll give you your profits, but you're managing the trades on your own. I'm not going to be following them. I'm going to be following the S&P, but you'll know exactly from these reports on what I'm looking at and where the targets are and where to take profits. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.